Here's how you file a federal estate tax return. Number one, it's not even necessary unless the person died with a gross estate exceeding the applicable estate tax exemption. $5 million this year, 2012, scheduled to be $1 million, 2013. Somebody dies with more than that, what do? The IRS doesn't come raid the house to see what was there. It's the executor or trustee's responsibility to make sure that the estate tax is voluntarily complied with. Here's what you do. There's an IRS form. It's called IRS Form 706. It's the federal estate tax return. You've got to get all the real estate appraised. You've got to get all the banking records to show what was there on the date of death, all the investment records to show the trading value as of the date of death. You've got to get any kind of business appraised. Get the, it's called a Form 712 from the life insurance company to show how much life insurance the deceased person owned. Got to get all that blue book values for vehicles, and really just a total listing of everything they own. There's a certain format that all of that needs to be put into on the estate tax return. You've got to go through all of those calculations. You've got to make sure things are reported properly. It's a 40 or 50-page return. We often prepare that when we're helping a family settle estate. We attach the real estate appraisals and all of that to the return, make those calculations of tax. Got to send all that in with the estate tax payment. It's got to be in within 9 months from the date the person died. So that's what's involved with filing an estate tax return. Sometimes there are deductions that can eliminate tax. The most common one is called the marital deduction, when you leave things to your spouse. So sometimes that helps avoid tax. So be aware, there's some pretty stiff penalties for failing to file or filing late, so jump right on it. Sometimes it's an area where it's kind of easy to procrastinate, but that's going to be costly. If you need help with that, if you lived in Louisiana, or if you live in Louisiana, the decedent lived in Louisiana, and you're concerned about avoiding estate tax or reporting estate tax, you may want to give us a call at 866-491-3884. Have a great day.